What's going on YouTube? It's Nikki the Bombshell Biker, and welcome to the Momma Mafia Power Hour, or Mayhem, I don't remember what we're calling it, but welcome. It is our monthly Momma Mafia event, and we greatly appreciate you guys watching and supporting us. Today, as I'm sure you've heard in other videos, we are here to support other channels. We would like to talk about things that other channels do that we love. I picked the elusive Brandon Bicasso. So I have the great fortune of getting to be fairly decently-ish close with the Indian motorcycle world. They're a great group of riders, notable as such as Open Roader in Italy, the American in Italy, Dazzle Rebel Rides in the UK, Brandon Bicasso there in Alabama, Meatball Rebel up in Northern California, J-Fast in Canada, Aussie and the Indian down in Australia, as well as Hellistoke Garage. I forget some of the others. Invictus Knox. Cannot forget him. He's always very sweet. And some other riders that unfortunately I'm not as close with yet, so I don't know them, but I do talk to the rest of them a fairly decent amount here and there. So today we're talking about things that other channels do. And like I said, I wanted to talk about Brandon Bicasso because Brandon Bicasso has this way of editing that's just beautiful. Like, there's no other way to put it. He makes beautiful videos. This guy makes a video. Hey, my lady and I are making tacos and we need lettuce, so I'm gonna go buy some lettuce. And he makes like the most elegant music video about going to get some lettuce, and it looks like a damn rap video. It just came out so good. He puts the perfect music to it, and the way he edits and flows, and oh man, so jelly of his amazing editing skills. And it's honestly, he just has fun with it, and it shows. And it's a simple video, nothing crazy, you know. He doesn't go into the history of putting lettuce on a taco. He goes to the store, buys a head of lettuce, and goes home. And that, boys and girls, is it. And it's probably one of my favorite Brandon Bicasso videos. It's so crazy to me. So I wanted to highlight a little bit of what he does. I'm going to throw my own spin on it today. See if I can do a little bit of that Bicasso style. And just, if you haven't checked out Brandon Bicasso, please check him out. He is on Instagram and YouTube. He has a great channel. He went down on his bobber last year, but he is doing much better. Riding again, having a grand old time, getting those great videos out. So I definitely think he's worth the follow if you haven't already. Also, feel free to check out any of those Indian Motorcycle World members I mentioned, or even some of the ones I forgot if you find them. Also worth the follow. Great group of riders. And I will be very lucky to share a booth with them this month. So excited, at SCMM. So here you guys go. Here's my touch on a Brandon Bicasso video. guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of taste of Nicky Bicasso here. I did not at all do it justice, I'm sure, but please go check out the original Brandon Bicasso. Give him some love. Check out his amazing art style with his videos. You won't regret it. And as always, stay safe and stay sassy. Bye, guys.